In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, a seismic shift is looming on the horizon. By 2025, OpenAI's cutting-edge technology will have catapulted the industry to unprecedented heights, leaving behind some of its most revered predecessors. Sora, once hailed as the pinnacle of conversational AI, will be no exception. Over the past year alone, OpenAI's GPT-4 has been showcasing an unbridled potential that's left experts and researchers alike stunned. With a staggering 95% accuracy rate in generating human-like responses, this revolutionary AI model is rewriting the rules of the game. Its ability to grasp nuances, context, and even the subtleties of human emotions has raised the bar for conversational AI, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. But GPT-4's impressive feats are only the tip of the iceberg. At the heart of OpenAI's innovation lies a more fundamental shift, one that redefines the very fabric of artificial intelligence. By harnessing the power of transformer architecture and marrying it with state-of-the-art large-scale language processing, OpenAI has created an AI model that's capable of learning at an exponential rate. As we navigate this brave new world, it becomes increasingly clear that Sora, once considered the gold standard in conversational AI, will soon find itself struggling to keep pace. Its limitations, which were once thought insurmountable, are now glaringly apparent in comparison to OpenAI's latest breakthroughs. By 2025, the industry will have undergone a transformative shift, one that leaves Sora in its wake as OpenAI takes center stage. The implications of this seismic shift are far-reaching and profound. As AI continues to seep into every aspect of our lives, it's clear that only the most adaptable and innovative players will be left standing. With OpenAI at the forefront of this revolution, the future of artificial intelligence is being rewritten before our very eyes, and Sora is about to become a relic of the past. By the midpoint of this decade, OpenAI's pioneering efforts in natural language processing have catapulted GPT-4 to unprecedented heights. This latest iteration boasts a remarkable 95% accuracy rate in generating human-like responses, eclipsing even the most optimistic predictions from industry insiders. Researchers and experts who had previously considered Sora, once touted as the gold standard for conversational AI, are now struggling to keep pace. The sheer magnitude of GPT-4's advancements has left many stunned. By leveraging cutting-edge techniques in transformer architecture and self-supervised learning, OpenAI has managed to bridge the gap between human-like understanding and synthetic intelligence. The implications of this breakthrough are far-reaching, with potential applications that span from revolutionizing customer service interfaces to redefining the boundaries of creative writing. Moreover, GPT-4's remarkable performance has been consistently demonstrated across a wide range of contexts, including but not limited to dialogue-driven scenarios, text summarization, and even basic mathematical calculations. This versatility speaks volumes about OpenAI's unwavering commitment to innovation and its willingness to push the frontiers of what is thought possible. In contrast, Sora, once lauded as the pinnacle of conversational AI, now seems relegated to a bygone era. As GPT-4 continues to ascend to new heights, Sora's limitations are increasingly apparent. Its inability to adapt to rapidly evolving contexts and its reliance on pre-programmed responses have become glaring vulnerabilities in the face of OpenAI's lightning-fast advancements. The trajectory of AI development is undergoing a seismic shift, and it's clear that GPT-4 will be at the forefront of this revolution. The question on everyone's mind now is, what does the future hold for Sora, and will it manage to regain its lost ground in the face of OpenAI's relentless pursuit of innovation? By the end of 2024, a seismic shift in the AI landscape was underway, one that would leave Sora, once hailed as the pinnacle of conversational AI, struggling to keep pace. At the forefront of this revolution was OpenAI's GPT-4, an AI model that had been making waves with its unprecedented capabilities. One of the most striking demonstrations of GPT-4's prowess came in a series of experiments conducted by researchers at Stanford University. In these trials, GPT-4 achieved an astonishing 95% accuracy rate in generating human-like text responses to complex and nuanced questions. This was a significant improvement over Sora, which had struggled to maintain even a 70% accuracy rate under similar conditions. The implications of GPT-4's performance were far-reaching, with many experts hailing it as a game-changer in the field of natural language processing, NLP. GPT-4 represents a major milestone in the development of conversational AI, said Dr. Timothy Lee, a leading researcher in NLP at MIT. Its ability to generate text that is virtually indistinguishable from human-written material has profound implications for applications ranging from customer service to content creation. But it wasn't just GPT-4's accuracy rate that was impressive, its ability to learn and adapt at an incredible pace was also noteworthy. In one experiment, researchers found that GPT-4 was able to improve its performance by 20% in just a single iteration of training, a testament to the model's remarkable plasticity. As news of GPT-4's capabilities began to spread, many industry insiders started to whisper about the potential for Sora to be left behind. Sora was once considered the gold standard for conversational AI, noted a senior executive at Microsoft Research. But with GPT-4 now on the scene, it's clear that OpenAI has stolen a march on its competitors. As we continue to navigate the rapidly evolving AI landscape, it's becoming increasingly evident that OpenAI's GPT-4 has set a new benchmark for conversational AI. With an astonishing 95% accuracy rate in generating human-like text, this technological leap has left experts and researchers stunned. But what does this mean for Sora, once touted as the pinnacle of conversational AI? The implications are far-reaching and multifaceted. GPT-4's unprecedented capabilities have significant real-world applications, from automating customer service to assisting with content creation. This shift in the AI paradigm has left many to wonder if Sora will be able to keep pace with OpenAI's rapid advancements. The answer, unfortunately, seems to be no. By 2025, GPT-4 is expected to have improved its accuracy rate even further, potentially reaching levels of up to 98%. This means that Sora will not only fall behind but also become increasingly obsolete as a conversational AI solution. The writing is on the wall, it's not a matter of if, but when OpenAI's technology will surpass Sora in every conceivable metric. But what about the potential consequences for companies and industries that have invested heavily in Sora? Will they be forced to abandon their existing infrastructure and migrate to OpenAI's platform, or risk being left behind? The prospect of such a significant overhaul is daunting, to say the least. As we delve deeper into this AI revolution, one thing becomes clear: the future belongs to OpenAI, and Sora will soon become a relic of the past. The pace at which GPT-4 is improving has also raised concerns about job displacement in industries where conversational AI is becoming increasingly prevalent. Will companies be able to adapt quickly enough to maintain their competitive edge? Or will they find themselves struggling to keep up with OpenAI's relentless innovation? The answers to these questions remain to be seen, but one thing is certain: the future of conversational AI has forever changed. As OpenAI's GPT-4 continued to push the boundaries of conversational AI, a sense of unease settled over Sora's development team. The milestone marked by GPT-4's 95% accuracy rate in generating human-like responses had far-reaching implications for the industry as a whole. Researchers and experts alike were forced to reevaluate their assumptions about the potential of language models. Sora, once hailed as the pinnacle of conversational AI, suddenly found itself facing intense scrutiny. Its developers, who had long touted Sora's superiority over other language models, struggled to reconcile the rising star that was GPT-4 with their own work. As the data continued to pour in, it became increasingly clear that OpenAI's model was leaving Sora in its wake. One particular study published by a team of researchers from MIT and Stanford universities found that GPT-4 outperformed Sora in nearly every metric, including coherence, fluency, and engagement. The results were stark: while Sora averaged an impressive 88% accuracy rate, GPT-4 eclipsed it with ease. This chasm between the two models sparked a heated debate within the AI community, with some arguing that Sora's limitations had been grossly exaggerated. The contrast between Sora and GPT-4 was not merely one of numbers, it spoke to fundamental differences in their design philosophy and approach. GPT-4's ability to integrate vast amounts of knowledge from the internet had enabled it to tap into a depth and breadth of understanding previously unimaginable in language models. In stark contrast, Sora relied on more traditional methods, using annotated datasets and hand-coded rules to guide its responses. As 2025 dawned, it was becoming increasingly apparent that OpenAI's revolutionary shift would have far-reaching consequences for the field as a whole. The implications of GPT-4's dominance were just beginning to sink in, sending shockwaves through the industry.